Hey, thanks for stopping by 818 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare spicy beef tips. Enjoy.
Beef tips recipe. Add oil. Check if the pan has reached medium heat. I tested by also adding a bit of chopped onions, and when I see them sizzle, I know the pan has reached the right temperature. Now add the chopped onions. Let them fry until they reach a nice golden brown color. Add a pinch of salt. Add salt to taste depending on your preference. Mix the salt with the onions. Now, add chopped ginger and garlic. Next up, add chili powder. Add turmeric. Add a bit of water. This ensures the added spices blend and mix in well to form a curry paste as it cooks. Add ketchup, depending how sweet and tangy you want your dish to be. Add the beef tips and mix the spice blend in it. After mixing well, put the lid on. This will ensure the beef tips cook evenly. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and toss the meat pieces. Add salt to taste as mentioned earlier. Now I'm adding a masala paste to it to add to the spice and tanginess of the dish. You don't need to add additional masalas or spices. This step is optional. I'm adding more water to add gravy to the dish. Let it simmer and place the lid back. Give it an additional 12 minutes of cooking time on simmer. As you can see, the meat has cooked perfectly. Now you can add garnishing, coriander or mint leaves to the dish for that added aroma and taste. Place the lid and let it cook on simmer for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and voila! Delicious beef tips is ready. Beef tips recipe done.
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.